Overflows.
You are the seed of awakening. You are the seed of awakening. However, this seed is different than other seeds. While other seeds are less conscious, this is more conscious. A normal seed does not have the possibility of evolution into consciousness. This seed comes from outside. It can be purchased from outside. As compared to this, the seed of awakening is not outside. It cannot be purchased from anywhere. You cannot see the seed. You are born with the seed within you, and you are the seed. When this seed fertilizes and its growth process begins, the seed blossoms into flowers of awakening. With this, your being blossoms into infinite dimensions. The seed cannot begin its growth process on its own. The seed and plants are separate from one another. When seed dies, only then the plant evolves out of its womb. Only weeds grow on their own. The process for the seed of consciousness to begin journey is not easy, instead complicated. Unlike other seed of consciousness, unlike other seeds, the seed of consciousness is part of human existence. The seed and human are seen. It has freedom to choose to begin its growth process or not. Both options are available, whereas these options are not available to other seeds. For the process of seed, the decision is made by someone else, not the seed. In case of the seed of consciousness, the decision has to be made by the individual, and it is the human out of whom flowers of awakening will evolve. To begin this process, a few things are needed: trust and love in oneself, in the process, and one who can and does initiate the process. With trust and love, freedom comes and the person is ready. First, the inner soil is prepared, cleansed of the weeds of egocentric identities, lust, ignorance, chaos, misery, conflict, and identity crisis. This cannot happen on one's own. The one in whom this process is to begin is seeker in the initial stages, and the one who cultivates or initiates the process is master. Process is a joint venture between the two. Efforts have to be made by the two. The inner soil is fertilized and thus prepared so that the roots can go deeper in the inner soil. The deeper the roots go, healthier and taller will be the plant. Soil is nourished by a combination of fertilizers and water. Fertilizer that is alien and comes from outside. Water helps the soil to absorb the nourishment into each cell. This is the basic process. How does this process begin in a human? Each one of us has 7 psychocenters or chakras within our second body, the energy body. Hence, cannot be seen by their but their effect is felt. Just as earth and water form a combination, so too the earth and water center work in harmony with one another as a pair. The earth and water center together comes with existential bioenergy. This energy is stored in the crude form at the earth center or Mooladhara center. This is the first and the basic center. This existential bioenergy that you are born with is known as biological energy or sex energy. This is gross. The water helps this energy to become fluid like and then absorbed in various cells. Both centers provide the space for the process to begin and attain fruition. This requires deep understanding of this bioenergy. From the beginning, this energy has been condemned. Its potentiality remains unknown and unknowable. To understand something, there has to be willingness, respect, and love. You cannot know or understand something that you condemn or go on condemning. The energy operates as a physical plane within human body. Deep understanding comes through the Mooladhara, means the first center. Mool means basic, Adhar means base. This is the base center. The second is Swadhishtan. It comes by two words. Swa means self, Dishtan means place, centers, or earth and water centers or chakras. Sufis call these centers as Lataif. Chakras are electromagnetic energy fields around the different points of human body. All chakras are formed into three are formed or comes into existence from three nadis or nerves except one. First three centers are formed with three nadis, and the last chakra, which is thousand petal or crown chakra, is formed from the third or Sushumna nadi. There are three nadis that form different chakras are Pingala the moon nerve, Ida the sun nerve, and Sushumna the neutral one. Within the spine, if you know its physical construction, you will know there are two holes on either side of the spine which are like conduit pipes for all nerves to pass. If you know the physical structure of the spine, you will know that there are two holes on either side of the spine which are like conduit pipes for the nerves to pass. This is the Ida and Pingala, the left and right channels. In Pranamaya Kosh, which is known as energy body, there are 72,000 nadis. The 72,000 nadis spring from three basic nadis through various permutation and combination, the left and right and the central. The Ida, Pingala and Sushumna, the word nadi, does not really mean nerve. Nadis are really pathways or channels of energy to flow in the system. These 72,000 nadis do not have a physical manifestation. In this sense, if you cut the body and look in, you will not find them, but as you become more aware, you will notice the energy is not moving at random. It is moving in and through established pathways. There are 72,000 ways in which energy or prana, life force, moves. The Ida and Pingala nadis embodies lunar and solar energies. Ida and Pingala embodies lunar and solar energies. Their interplay balances the yin and yang, or Shiva and Shakti, within the body. The paths of these nadis influences physical and mental states and different interpretive views. Comparing prana and kundalini energies highlights their transformative roles in spiritual practices. The Muladhara chakra is located at the perineum, the space between anus and genital organ. This is the most basic chakra in the body. Unfortunately, many think that this is the lowest chakra and not worth working upon. Muladhara means foundation. The Muladhara chakra is the foundation of physical structure and the energy body. A stable foundation is very important. Anyone who thinks the foundation is something we need not take care of is ignorant, living in fool's paradise. The journey will continue enough for now.